What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tuning back into another Diesel Anatomy YouTube video. A pretty exciting video today, for me at least. Hopefully it will be a kind of a deciding factor for all the viewers out there that are kind of debating whether or not that they want to take the decals or the stickers that have been off their vehicles. This applies to any car on planet Earth. You know, there's that constant debate whether or not it looks better with or without. And we're going to go ahead and kind of show you guys before and after. I know in a lot of my videos, when I do the cinematic shots, you can see I'll zoom up in on the Duramax Diesel and the 2500 HD little decal or sticker, emblem, whatever you want to call it. I kind of do a nice little shot of that. Well, today the 2500 HD symbol is going to go. So, which would be this one right here. That one is going to go. As you can see, it's kind of scuffed up. It's got nooks. It's, you know, so that's got to go. And hopefully that this will kind of help you decide whether it's something you want to do to your truck or car or whatever the case may be. I will say, as of right now, I did do the other side just to kind of, you know, make sure I familiarized myself with it before I went ahead and did a video on it. And right now, it looks so clean over there. There's no residue, there's no marks, there's no whatever. So hopefully we will have the same results on the driver's side, but I'm gonna walk you guys through it. So having that said, let's stop the talking and let's go ahead and dive in. First thing what we're gonna do is we're going to take a heat gun to that sticker, the 2500 HD. We're just gonna take a heat gun. We're gonna go ahead and put our hand on the side and, you know, to kind of gauge how much heat. We don't wanna be holding the heat on it too long, but we're gonna go ahead and throw our hands up there. If it gets kind of hot, we know to kind of back off. And we're gonna take some fishing line, and we're gonna go ahead and try to work that line straight through the decal. It's gonna be one little side motion, so we're not gonna be pulling the decal back. We don't want to dig the other side into the paint. We're going to just drag that line straight across the implement. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna get you guys up close so you guys can see what that's all like. So. We'll catch up with you after we get the actual 2500 HD sticker off the truck. So stay tuned, guys.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Until the very last hour.
Alright, everybody, so as you can see, we have the decal off of the truck. And where did I put it? Right here. I would recommend using I recommend using more than 8-pound test fishing line because I don't really know yet because I haven't edited the video, but I'm guessing probably at least 8 times we snap that line. So I would use something a little thicker, but we do have it off. The other one that I did, more of the glue came off on it, so probably going to have a little bit more picking to do. But what we're going to do here is we're just going to go through I'm gonna heat it up, you know, relatively warm, and I'm just gonna start picking away at it. You can take a plastic razor blade, but I'm just gonna use my fingers and just get that stuff off. Usually it'll kind of roll off if you get it warm enough. So that's what we're gonna do for that. And then after I'm not gonna bore and do that. I'm just gonna jump back to the video after we get all this glue stuff off, and then I'll show you kind of what products to use to get the final residue off and to kind of get this all cleaned up. So we'll catch you guys after I get this adhesive stuff off. So we'll see you guys.
We still got a few more days to slay. It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here.
All right, everybody. So as you can see, we have the thick glue all mostly off of the truck. You can kind of see, probably in the video, I'm sure you can see it, these little like residue marks where it's still, the adhesive is still on there. So we're going to go ahead and take some Goo Gone, which I have right here, and we're going to go ahead and spray this down, and we're going to let it sit, and then we're going to let it sit for, I don't know, probably, I think the other side I let it sit for like 3 to 5 minutes. Then we're going to take a microfiber towel, and we're going to go ahead and just kind of do little circles to kind of finish off getting this adhesive off the truck. And after that, the final step will be to get some acetone, and then we're going to go over the remaining what's left. That stuff does a really good job of taking it off. So that's probably what we're going to finish off with. And then of course after all that, you want to get all that stuff off your truck. So you want to take some soapy water, run it down, get all the fingerprint marks, and dry it all off, and that will really be it. So as of right now, what we're going to do is we're going to be getting that spray that Goo Gone on. So let's go ahead and get to that.
Over your body and over your soul, we're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all.
All right, everybody. So as you can see with the Goo Gone, we got a lot of like that black adhesive stuff off that gets everywhere. And so what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and take the acetone, and we're going to go ahead and run down and clean it up like 100%, like where it needs to be. So pretty much where you can't even tell there was a sticker or a decal there. So we're going to go ahead and do that. This is probably going to be the last little section of the video before the ending. So I hope you guys enjoy. Drop a comment below whether or not you like it, whether you think I should or should not have done that. There's nothing on this truck that can't be reversed and go back. So it's all up to you guys. I want to kind of build this truck to how everyone, you know, to where everyone, it's enjoyable to watch. It's enjoyable to view. So go ahead and drop in the comments below whether or not this is a good idea, bad idea, something you would have done. And hopefully if you are doing it yourself, hopefully it was very helpful, and hopefully that you will know how to do it for your own vehicle. So enough talking, let's go ahead and wrap this up and show you guys the finished product.
Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
Alright guys, I just want to thank all of you for tuning into this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope it was just exactly what you needed to see in order to decide if that's something you want to do to your own vehicle. It's really not hard. It's really not expensive at all. I had to even go out and buy the heat gun, and with everything, the Goo Gone, all that stuff, only added up to $40. So really, it's not nothing crazy at all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it looks better. Hope that it entices you guys to want to watch more of the channel. So having that said, go ahead and throw in the comments below what you think, if you liked it, if you didn't like it. Again, your input, your guys' motivation is kind of what keeps this channel rolling. So I appreciate all that you guys do. That's really about it. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it off here for you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, leave a thumbs up. That's all helps, and it's all great. So having that said, we will catch you guys next Saturday on the Diesel Anatomy YouTube channel.